Hello everyone, and today we'll show you how to add a clickable link in Canva. Now let's say that you have opened Canva like this and you want to create a PDF that has a clickable button in it. So what you should do is simply go to templates, then here I will search for PDFs like so. After that I will choose any one of these PDFs right here. I will go for this one right here for example, or this one right here. Then click on customize this template. Then after that I'm gonna make a new page with this template. I'm gonna click on add page, and after that I will simply go to text right here, then click on this section right here, add anything. I will type here best book for example, and now let me show you how to make it look as a button. You can simply highlight it like this, then go to effects. Here you can make it as a shadow for example. You can even give it some effects. You can even give it an animation like this one right here. I'm gonna highlight it all, then give it this option right here. Now I will drag this text right here up. I'm gonna highlight it like this, then go to effects. Then here I will go and choose another effect which is called background. I will add it. Then I'll make this look like a button. I'm gonna simply decrease it like so, then increase the roundedness to make it just look like a button. And now what you should do is simply just highlight the text like this, then click on these three lines, click on link and paste a link right here. And I can simply get the affiliate link of this book right here, which is called The Art of War. So now I have copied the affiliate link. Now we can highlight the text again and choose link, then paste link right here. And once you click on done, it is now clickable. When you simply go and click this in the PDF itself, it will be clickable. So now let me show you. Let's download this as a PDF. I'm going to choose PDF print for example, then I'm going to download it. Now it is being downloaded as you can see. Now after downloading, now you can go open the PDF. Once you open it, you should just click on this section right here and it will redirect you directly to the book or to the link that you have attached. And that's pretty much it. Please support us with like, subscribe to the channel, leave us a good comment and share the video with your friends. Thanks for watching and goodbye.